Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can update your PHP version in WordPress. So as you can see, our current PHP version is 8.0, going to update it 8.1. So for that we need to cPanel access. So I am going to our cPanel and here login. Now here we need to find out the PHP version. Ctrl F. Here you can see select PHP version. Click on that. Okay, current PHP version here you can see 8.0. So I am going to update it 8.1. Apply. Okay, now I am go back our WordPress dashboard and reload it again. Yes, our site PHP version is updated. It's now 8.1. So this is how you can update your PHP version. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.